Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Gamer King, aka Comics King 98, aka That's Car 42, bringing you another video. But in this video is a pack opening. I heard that there is a 24-hour. I think it's 24-hour something. It's not there, but it's a 24-hour Russell Wilson Football Outsider 94 overall. So I'm just gonna be opening 5 packs, see what we get. Let's get started. I didn't get an update team, so we may open some more later on. Update team. Oh, Joe Hayden. 90 speed, 94 agility, 94 acceleration, 92 zone, 94 man, 86 play rate. Nice. See how much he's going for. So we'll be opening 2 more packs. I think, yeah, this is... Okay, Larry English. Okay, guys, last pack. Let me go check his here once I do one go for. Oh, not Derek Newton. He's annoying. I'm tired of getting him. Let's check Joe Hayden, 90 overall cornerback. See here. Come on, go for something. Ooh. Good profit here. Wait. There's a road to the playoffs, Joe Hayden? Oh shoot, there's a road to the playoffs, Joe Hayden. I may have to check that out. I don't know how hard that is. I don't know if you need that one. I don't know how hard that is. Oops. Anybody bidding on him? I just checked the bid price. I don't check the buy now. I already checked the bid price here. Anybody bidding on him? I see the bid price and then I like raise it up a little bit or lower it. Dang, just a little bit. Ooh, one sold for 50K. This just shouldn't go for 50K. If it goes to 70K, I'm cool. 70K is good for me. I mean, that's made me profit. So let's check. 70K. Someone sold 50. I'm checking how many 50s. Yeah, there's only 150. I think. There's only 150. I'm gonna check 60. How many 60s? I don't go by 5s. I don't go by 50, 55, 60. Okay, 70K it is. Hey guys, I put them up and not on camera, but till next time, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to get 50 subscribers. Alright, look, long term goals 50, short term goals 25. Let's get about 20 views in this video. Peace. No, 15. 50, I mean 12. 10 views on the video. Peace.